they called? The pump?
Fuel pump?
Fuel pump and fuel filter.
Oh! Your head is hard. Bonk, that's like stop.
And on that note, let me go.
Not hilarious.
Bonk. I hope that got on the audio. It actually didn't hurt that much, it just sounded really bad. Are you angry yet?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Alright, so here is episode 2 of the ProForce engine removal, tank placement, and reinstallation saga.
I don't think they were here, and I had to ask what size they were, and I just probably bought
Something from McMaster?
Who knows? I don't know what I was doing.
Yeah, so they're stuck like, huh?
Yeah, I guess it's just pulling the inserts out. But at this point, I don't really care.
Yeah.
I just need to get them out.
Well, really you need to impact, probably shock it.
Yeah, well, I need not this, yeah. I mean, a T-handle. I can get out with a T-handle. Don't have any of that. That's stuff all at the shop.
Nice. Alright, battery box out. After 3 weeks. Yeah, the things that you don't even realize. Okay, oh, now she's coming out. Yeah, look at this manually cut old acrylic piece. We put vinyl on it to make it look cool. Okay, so time to remove the ride plate because this thing does need a new trim cable. It's like fishing.
Yeah, it's rubber. I was pulling, I got so mad, couldn't get it to come out, kept pulling. And I started like, think, idiot, think. So I took the chin pad off and I had probably 8 zip ties holding it.
Oh, you were pulling it hard.
Yeah, I was like, this ain't gonna work.
All right, we have, well, Steven got the tank in today. Looking good.
So it's just this, but what I did is I hogged out those spots where the pump sits and where the filter goes. That way, if I gotta like get to fitting or something, it's a little easier than being.
Oh yeah.
We thought that was cool. We cut
Quality.
that with a
Yeah. Then what did you sand it?
saw. I don't know what I did.
I'm sure we have video of it.
Wow, I did not know this was so terrible. I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah. Well.
I'm just gonna hope the gas stays in the gas tank this time. This will live. Battery tray
that's a battery
sits on
box.
top of that. Yeah. So
So-
it holds it down. The pump goes here. The clamp goes over it like that, and this one where the filter is, it just has like a single loop clamp.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what it looks like. That'll be it.
Oh wow. Pretty
It's
quick.
gonna take a little over a minute.
All right. On this beast right here.
The height of it. Warm.
Look at that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Go destroy it.
Melding our day job and our ski hobby. Yeah. Here, another week in the garage. This time, we get to install the, what are they called? The pump?
Fuel pump.
Fuel pump and fuel filter.
Oh! Your head is hard. Bonk, that's like stop.
And on that note, let me go.
Not hilarious.
Bonk. I hope that got on the audio. It actually didn't hurt that much, it just sounded really bad. Yeah, so, old one, yummy. New one, you get to uncover it. Okay, so this will be, as the hull angles up, the plate's gonna sit on the little foam there. Precision. Wow, so cool. Who knew back when you were making this, putting the engine in the ski and doing all the stuff, that
Life's weird.
you'd eventually be able to make things.
Yeah. For sale now. Sure do. Look at that.
Look at that. Pretty cool. New real stainless hardware. Alright, she's in. We're unstrapping her from the winch. Oh, no, it looks crooked.
It's very cool.
Okay. I have the exhaust gasket on, exhaust manifold on. It's in the coupler. So the engine's still loose. We're gonna tighten everything up on the manifold and then tighten the engine down. It's off. We had to get the headlight out to see what we were doing. Flash. We're done with this. We ended up having the one loom in the wrong spot, and so it wasn't reaching anything. So we pulled it back out, figured out where everything was. There were some missing. It was the map sensor and the 2 throttle body sensors that we were missing. But now, I think we got it. Again. We got the final touch. We got the final touch right here. Yeah, those are pretty easy.
Yeah,
You did the one down below, and I was like, no way! And I was like, oh wait.
Showing off.
Yeah, he's pretty good. There you go.
Ready?
See if it goes. Does it always sound like that? I think so, yeah.
Oh, it's got a little fuel left on the line there.
You never undid any of those.
Nope. This is nuevo, so there's 8 million different problems we can have here.
Yeah. I think this stinks. $40?
There she is.
Okay.
Let's hit the button.
Okay.
I don't know if the battery's gonna be strong enough.
I charged it, remember? Wow, she runs, man!
It works.
Crazy.